some problem they will give you different invoice date. Just you're supposed to add 60 days. With the answer, you compare entered in the books and the payment made. Whichever is earlier should be your time of supply. Your invoice is made within 30 days of your service, then invoice or payment, whichever is earlier. Hello everyone, this is your Aditya here, lecturing with Ashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the session 5 of your unit 6 of time value of money or time of supply. Now, under time of supply, in this what we are going to discuss. Now, under time of supply, now what time the supply has to be considered. In the previous session, we did one small problem on forward charge. Now, in today's session, we'll go with the same thing, one forward charge and two problems on reverse charge method. We are doing with the services. In the services, what will be the forward charge and what will be the reverse charge. Remember, forward charge in the sense it is a 30 days and reverse charge in the sense it is a 60 days from the invoice date. Now, so we'll go with concept, meaning as well as problems. The first problem, remember, this is your answer. These are your question. So I have written question along with your answer. Your question will be up to these three columns and same thing you have to copy and you have to write the answer column. Hope you are clear. Your question will be up to what? Your question will be up to this 1, 2, 3. And what will be your answer? Your answer must be 1, 2, 3 plus time of supply. This will be your answer. Now, in this, your service happened when? So we are doing what? Forward charge. We are working on forward charge. Now, on 1st October 2020, your service happened and your payment is given when? 6th October. Then, when the invoice happened? 29th October. Now, 1st October, your service happened means exactly you calculate 30 days. October 30th will be called as 30 days. But when the invoice is made 29th, within 1 month. So we have to consider it as within 1 month. Next, if it is within 1 month, then what we have to do? Payment or invoice, whichever is earlier. Your invoice is on 29th, payment is on 6th October, whichever is earlier, your 6th October is earlier. Hope you are clear. Remember, once again I'll repeat, if your invoice made within 30 days of your service, then payment or invoice, whichever is earlier. If the invoice is made after 30 days, then whichever is earlier. Clear? This will be after 30 days. This is before 30 days. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, so under time of supply, first one is done. We'll go for the second one. In this, your invoice is on 2nd 11, but when it is happened service, 1st 11. 1st 11, 30 days means till November end you can make invoice, but 2nd November only you did within 30 days. So out of this two, whichever is earlier, 2nd November earlier, so 2nd November we have considered. So within 1 month or 30 days. Within 30 days. Now, this is done. We'll go for the next one. Next one is what? Like 1st December, your service happened actually. 2nd December itself, you made your only within 1 day, you made your invoice. What they are asking? They are asking within 30 days, but you have done within 1 day only. So it will be what? Out of these two, whichever is earlier, 2nd December or 5th January. 2nd December is earlier, so it will be within 1 month are 30 days. So it will be what? Whichever is earlier, this will be called as earlier. Now, after this, your service happened on 1st January. Invoice made on 5th February after 1 month. After 1 month means you have to check these two. Whichever is earlier. 1st January is earlier. So you have taken 1st January. Hope you are clear. Yes. So it will be what? After 30 days. After 30 days. We'll go for the last one. 1st February it happened, but 28 within 30 days invoice is made. So out of this, whichever is earlier, 28 or 5th February. 5th February is earlier. So go for 5th February in this within 1 month. Hope you are clear. This is all about your forward charges. Remember, your invoice is made within 30 days of your service. Then invoice or payment, whichever is earlier. If the invoice is made after 30 days of your service, then your payment or service, whichever is earlier. Hope you are clear. Good. Now, so this is all about your forward charge. Now we'll go for the reverse charge. So reverse charge method will go for now. Now in this, remember, up to this we call it as question and these two are the answers. In your examination, they will ask you under reverse charge method, they will give you date of invoice, payment, entered in books. These three will be given in your question paper. Your answer must be what? You have to copy the question. Along with that, you should add two more columns that will be following 60 days time of supply. How to do this? I'll show you. Date of invoice 1/6/2019. Now, for this, you should add 60 days. For this, you should add 60 days. For this, you should add 60 days. Now, add 1/6/2019. Exactly add 60 days. It will become 31/7/2019. Hope you are clear. Now, 1/6/2019 you have add 60 days. It will become 31/7/2019. 1/6/2019 add 60 days. It will be 31/7/2019. This is the first thing you have to do. Whatever invoice date, in this invoice dates are common. That's why you got same answer for all three. Some problem they will give you different invoice date. Just you are supposed to add 60 days. Now, we have added all 60 days for this. Now, what will be the next? After adding 60 days, you have to check when is your payment made 7/6. When entered in the books 17/6. When the following 30 days 31/7. Out of these three, whichever is earlier. 7/6 is earlier. So it will be 7/6/2019. Now, don't consider date of invoice. Only 1, 2 and your answer. Now, 12/6, 12/9, 31/7. Whichever is earlier. Now, 12/6 is earlier. Take 12/6. Next, 25th June, 30th June, 31st July. Which is earlier? 25th June. Remember, out of these three, whichever is earlier. Out of these three, whichever is earlier. Now, so all three cases, very simple one. If it is a reverse charge, for your invoice date, add 60 days. You will get the answer. With answer, you compare entered in the books and the payment made. Whichever is earlier should be your time of supply. Hope you are clear. Yes. We'll go for the last problem for the day. Here also same thing. Date of invoice, payment, entered in books following 60 days and time of supply. As per this, what happens? 1/5 add 30 days. It will be 30th/6/2020. Again, add not 30, 60 days. 1 6 add 60 days, it will be 31st 7. 1 8 add 30 days, it must be 30th 9. In this, compare 1 2 3, all these three, whichever is earlier. 7 6, 15 6, 36. 7 6 is earlier, we go for 7 6. Similarly, 20th 6, 18 6, 31st 7. Whichever is earlier, 18 6 is called as earlier. And the last one, 15 8, 10 8 and 39. Whichever is earlier, 15 8 and 10 8. 10 8 is earlier, so we go for 10 8. Hope you are clear. This is only called as reverse charge method. Forward is over, reverse is over. Vouchers, I explained you. Residual, there is a remaining one, will come in the next session. Hope you are clear. Good. I'll go back to all the slides. Please take screenshot. So this will be your problem number 1 under forward charge. Problem number 2 under reverse charge. Problem number 3 under reverse charge method. This is all about your today's session. Hope you understood. Please work out at home without fail. Thank you.